Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Arknote Media Global, proudly hosted by Arknote Academy. We're excited to have you here. On this channel, you'll gain access to practical media and tech training sessions and real-world strategies from industry professionals. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And to our returning subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Your enjoying helps us reach more people who are eager to learn and grow just like you.
So today, I'll be teaching you on how to create this countdown for your church using the OBS. Yes, you heard me right, using OBS. So the first thing you need to do is click on scene. So type in the countdown, whatever text or name you want it. So scroll and click on text. Oh, for this one I'll be using the ministers. So you click on OK after typing the preferred title and close it back. Then you go to tools, click on tools and scroll down to scripts. Then here is where you would select the name you actually use for your source, so which is minister, and don't forget to select the duration for that countdown. Yes. Then after you're done, you would have the countdown active, and it begins to count down till 0, 0, 0, 0. So with this, you can project it to serve as a countdown for whosoever that is ministering. Another exciting thing about using OBS for your countdown is that you can change the background, you can add some motions to it, and that enhances the beauty of your countdown. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You can also follow us on various social media platforms. Bye.